Hi, and this is another comment question video. So you guys have asked something and I just thought I'd make a quick video answering it. This time it's not a comment asked by a specific person. This time this question has come in from multiple people, and I do get this one a lot. I always have done since I started making videos on my Samsung Note. So I thought I'd make one video. I know for a fact this isn't going to put an end to this question, but here we go. What app is this that I'm using to draw with? I'm sure I mentioned this in the videos, but still I seem to get asked this a lot. So I'm going to make this video. Maybe it'll cut down the number of times people ask this, but yeah, I really don't think so. So I'm drawing. People ask, what application is this that I'm drawing in? Autodesk SketchBook. That's the name of this application. You're not going to be able to see that because the light is just going to flush this out. But I do also draw in other applications. I use an application called Artflow, which I kind of like. But to record in, I use something called DU Recorder. Screen burn. There we go. So that there is Autodesk SketchBook, that's Artflow, and over there is DU Recorder. Sorry if that's not in focus, and sorry the light just went funny on you. But hey, that's the beauty of recording a quick video here. This isn't one of my finely polished videos that you're used to seeing for product reviews and whatever else. This is just a quick Q&A from the comment section. But yes, I can tell I haven't looked at my notifications in a while. Clear. Bye bye. But yes, the main piece of software that I use, the main app that I use for drawing on my Samsung Note, is Autodesk SketchBook. Now, I paid for this like a glutton, and since then Autodesk have actually made this free. We don't know why, but they just suddenly said it's free. All you have to do is give us your email address and contact details. Presume they're being bought out by somebody, or they just want to stop supporting the app, so they're giving it away. But it's actually a really good piece of software. One of the best things about this is that the app actually supports the tilt function on the Note stylus, because that is actually a Wacom stylus, so it has tilt. And yeah, if you're going to make full use of the Note stylus, then you want apps that support tilt. The Artflow app doesn't, but it's still an excellent application. So Artflow is the app of choice that I recommend. Somebody said the other day that I hadn't reviewed the apps that come built in, the drawing apps that come built in. No, I didn't, because they're rubbish. Samsung, it's a great phone, it's an awesome phone. The Note 8 is awesome. The Note 9, I did a video on that, it's just as awesome. But built-in apps, the free ones are better in my opinion. So I've got about 12 videos that I made on the Note 8. I would happily look at the Note 9, but I'm not going to spend my own money on it. That is my app of choice. If you guys know any better, drop them in the comments below. Like always though, if you want a comment answered in video format like this, drop your comments on any of my videos. If I deem that comment worthy of a video answer, I will do so. But your chances go up 1000% if you're a subscriber. That's the bold truth of it. And that, yeah, there you go. So until next time, until I see a comment worthy of a video answer, ciao for now.